expected boarding at 20 past.
That's 5 minutes.
There was an issue with it. Oh, that was it, yeah.
Hello. Oh, careful. Whoa, man. Sorry, Adam.
My pleasure to welcome you all this EasyJet service EZY 7010 over to Liverpool. Joining me the flight there today, First Officer Matt Wilson is flying you back to Liverpool. In the camp we've got a great team led by Zara, helped by Sam, Laura and Amber. Pretty much ready to go at the front here, hopefully push back a few minutes early ahead of schedule, and we'll depart off the Sully runway here today in Amsterdam runway 18 centre. We'll climb up to an altitude of 32,000 feet and make our way back to Liverpool. Flight time today in the region of 1 hour and 10 minutes. Once we're in the cruise, Matt will come back and give you another update. But for now, please give the cabin crew your full attention as they take you through the safety demonstration. Thanks again and welcome on board.
All electronic devices may be used on board if they are in the flight safe mode. You may use handheld devices such as mobile phones, tablets and e-readers during takeoff and landing. Larger items, including laptops, must be safely stowed.
Having crew on board for departure, please. EasyJet flight now departing to Liverpool with a flight time of approximately 1 hour and 10 minutes. My name is Zara and I'm the cabin manager on board your flight today. We'd also like to extend a special welcome to our EasyJet Plus card holders. I've got a fantastic team with alongside myself today. I've got Laura, Amber and Sam. We're here to make your journey both safe and comfortable, so if there is anything you require, don't hesitate to contact one of us.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now ask for your attention while we take you through the safety procedures on this aircraft. A safety card is in your seat pocket showing the exit routes, oxygen masks, life jackets and brace position that you must adopt if you hear brace, brace. There are 2 emergency exits at the rear, 4 in the middle, and 2 at the front of the cabin. Floor lighting will guide you to an exit. Please be aware that your nearest exit may be behind you. In an emergency, leave all cabin baggage on board. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and released as shown. It must be fastened when the seatbelt signs are on, and we recommend that you keep it fastened at all times. If the air supply fails, masks will drop from above you. Pull a mask towards you to start the oxygen. Put the mask over your nose and mouth. Hold in place with the strap. Pull on each side to adjust. Put on your own mask before helping others. If we land on water, take the life jacket from under your seat. Put it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist. Click together en pull the strap to adjust.
Wordt vastgemaakt, bijgesteld en losgemaakt zoals staat aangegeven. Deze moet vastgemaakt zijn indien het lichtsignaal stoelriemen vast aan is. Wij raden u aan om deze te alle tijden vast te hebben. Indien er problemen zijn met de luchttoevoer, zullen de maskers boven u naar beneden komen. Neem het masker naar u toe om de zuurstoftoevoer te starten. Doe het masker over uw neus en mond. Maak het koord vast en trek aan de zijde om het te verstellen. Doe uw eigen masker om voordat u andere helpt. Indien we landen op water, pak dan het reddingsvest van onder uw stoel. Trek het over uw hoofd, doe de koorden om uw middel, klik deze vast en trek aan het koord om het te verstellen. Blaas het vest niet op binnen in het vliegtuig. Als u buiten bent, blaast u het vest op door aan het riempje te trekken. Indien het reddingsvest weigert of meer lucht nodig heeft, blaast u in het ventiel. Er zit een lampje en een fluitje aan om de aandacht te trekken. We hebben ook reddingsvesten voor kinderen aan boord. Uw tafeltje moet nu worden ingeklapt. Armleuningen naar beneden, het raamluik omhoog en uw stoelriem vast. We wensen u een prettige vlucht met EasyJet.
gentlemen, the seatbelt sign is still on, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the signs have been switched off. We suggest that whenever seated, you keep them fastened. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin and smoking is not permitted at any time or in any location. During your flight with us today, the cabin crew will be giving you the opportunity to make purchases from our EasyJet boutique and bistro. It's worth having a good look in your bistro magazine whilst we are out with the drinks and snacks service, as we do have an extra 20% off with our mid-season sale at the moment, so that's an extra 20% on the prices that you will view in your brochure. This is on boutique items only. Your cabin crew will shortly be joining you in the cabin with our bistro service. If you do require any items from either the bistro or the boutique, we ask that you stop us as we are in the cabin with the bistro service. Please now sit back, relax and enjoy your flight with us. If we can be of any further assistance to you, please don't hesitate to contact one of us.
Dames en heren, houdt u alstublieft uw stoelriem vast indien het stoelriemensignaal aan is. We raden u aan om uw stoelriem vast te maken als u in uw stoel zit. De toiletten bevinden zich aan de voor- en achterzijde van de cabine. Wij herinneren u eraan dat roken ten alle tijden niet is toegestaan. Dit geldt ook voor elektronische sigaretten. Over enkele ogenblikken gaan we van start met onze aanboord service en we bieden u de kans aankopen te doen uit onze dagelijkse selectie vers eten. De volledige details kunt u vinden in onze brochure. We verkopen ook combinaties van drankjes en snacks tegen aantrekkelijke prijzen. Wij accepteren ponden, euro's en de meeste andere munteenheden, maar ook betalen creditcards. Gepaste betaling wordt zeer gewaardeerd. En als u nog verder kunt assisteren.
laptops that you may have been working on must now be powered down and safely stowed back into your hand baggage.
Dames en heren, zo dadelijk gaan wij landen. Kunt u er nu voor zorgen dat uw handbagage veilig is opgeborgen met daarin uw laptops. Uw tafeltje moet nu worden ingeklapt, uw armleuning naar beneden en uw raamluik omhoog. U dient nu in uw stoel te blijven zitten met uw stoelriem vast, klaar voor de landing. Kunt u ons alstublieft helpen door al uw afval, kranten en tijdschriften welke u niet mee wilt nemen in te leveren. De toiletten zijn vanaf nu...
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Liverpool, where the local time is 8 o'clock. In a few minutes' time, your cabin crew will be released from their seats to commence safety-related duties. At this time, the seatbelt sign above you will remain illuminated. Therefore, we ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the signs have been switched off. Devices for calls, messaging and internet access may now be used. Please ensure that you take all your personal belongings with you when leaving us today, checking in the seat pockets underneath the seats and to the overhead lockers. Do take care though when opening the lockers in case any items have moved during the flight and could fall out. Smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. We will now be handing you over to our ground handling agents here in Liverpool to complete your EasyJet journey. On behalf of the captain and indeed the rest of the crew, we would like to thank you for choosing to fly EasyJet today. Wish you a very safe and pleasant onward journey. Thank you and a very good evening.
Cabin crew, just on the doors for arrival, please. Cabin crew, doors clear to open.